My name is Matt Stuckmeyer, and we're at Stuckmeyer Plants Produce in Waterloo, Illinois. We raise a little bit of everything, but our largest items that we wholesale are green cabbage, zucchinis, yellow squash, peppers, eggplants, sweet corn, and tomatoes also. A lot of melons too, so yeah, like I say, a little bit of everything. It's all green cabbage. There's different varieties planted, but we have our early ones on this side of the field. It switches over into the later varieties. Also, we have red cabbage mixed in. And zucchini will pretty much grow, we'll start in the beginning of June and it'll go, into the late summer, fall, easily. They can grow them from further away and truck them too, but most of our zucchinis, they're cut within 2 days of arriving at Schnucks. Sometimes whenever I gotta fill the pallet, sometimes it's the same day.
By Schnucks Local, powered by Food Shed. Just look for the green stickers and the Food Shed brand. Yum!